does he not have the support of the entire, does he not have the support of the entire Muslim community in Hyderabad? Does he not? I saw you campaigning.
No, he doesn't.
Videos of your campaigning. I saw you going among the Muslim
No,
community.
he doesn't.
Do you have any support among the Muslim community?
I'll tell you why he doesn't. Are you asking, do I have support?
Both.
Arnabji,
I'm asking you whether he
have
has
support.
or doesn't.
I have.
I have two questions. I have two questions. My first question is that Hyderabad, family bastion almost of Asaduddin Owaisi, Akbaruddin Owaisi, stronghold, unbeatable, unbroken, vanquishable by anyone. Madhavi Lata gets a lot of prominence, is being talked about, but then she cannot break into Owaisi's stronghold. She may give him a tough fight, but she can't defeat him because he's got the entire Muslim community backing him. So he's going to position you as anti-Muslim to polarize even more of the Muslim vote around himself. That's his clear strategy. So I want your response to that first before I go to my next.
He has no support of entire Muslims with him, for which I can give you a very small glimpse example. This is siyasat.com, a news agency where you can see that Telangana 75% of Waqf property under encroachment. And this is the Hajj building, which is also the Waqf board office. 75% of the Waqf board properties have been encroached. And to the greater extent, you will be surprised, Telangana State Waqf Board declares here that the total acreages only in Telangana, I'm not talking about Andhra and Telangana together, is 77,538 acres of Waqf board land is there. This is the circle. And out of which 57,423 acres of Waqf board property is under encroachment, where the land has been given to private builders and these people have made their money out of it. Every Muslim is aware of this. Every Muslim is aware of this. The property eaten away by these people. No Muslim is happy there. That is the reason, because I am pulling out these truths. He has only two statements to talk, to just provoke the young youth who are uneducated and who have no clue what they are doing. Two things: eat beef काटो, माधवी लता का तीर. इस दो के अलावा उनके पास कुछ भी सच्चाई नहीं है.